how to disable Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can disable your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to disable your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application here, and once you launch your Instagram app, you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and once you've done that, tap the three lines option and then just go to Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, just go to the option called Personal Details. From here, just go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select the option of your Instagram account. Since we want to disable it only, we will select Deactivate Account, and then we will just tap the Continue option. As we do that, you'll be asked to enter your password. When you enter your password and tap the Continue option, your Instagram account will be disabled, which means temporarily deactivated. If you want to reactivate it, you can just try to log in later. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.